Today I'm going to show you 4 different ways to wear the same accessories. I literally did this today, so I just wanted to show you. I know we all like to, start our hair one way and then later on you end up putting it up and then something else happens and you change it to a different way. Especially if you have long hair, this might be a thing for you. So let me show you. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Cindy. I am an independent stylist for Lilla Rose Incorporated. I am going to show you what I do with my Upins throughout the day when my day changes. So we're going to start from scratch. Basically, today I did a co-wash and my hair looked amazing. But of course, now I've had a hat on for a couple of hours, so it's still great, but not, what it always is. I am growing out my roots, so that's what you're seeing here. If you don't know what a co-wash is, it's basically washing your hair with conditioner. So, I started out, these are Upins. These are sold in sets, and I will put a link in the description of this video if you are interested in purchasing some. There are many different styles and even some that have no decoration at all on them that you can just bury in your hair and no one will ever see them, except you'll know how awesome they are. All right, so I started out the day just wanting to get my hair back, so I just pulled some hair up. And just did a little twist, very gentle. Doesn't even have to be very tight. And then I took one of the Upins and I slid it in the, see how it's making an upward curve? So I'm going to slide it into that little rope that I made, touch my scalp, flip, and push that in. It's holding, but it's not going to stay by itself because I just did a loose twist. If I do a really tight twist, I can do just one. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side with the second one and make sure that those crisscross, and then I am good to go. Now, here's what ended up happening. I had to leave, and I noticed that it was kind of raining, sprinkling, whatever, and I knew that I was going to be kind of running in and out, so I decided that I wanted to put half of my hair up. So I pull one out. I leave this one in because I'm not too worried about it. It's pretty secure. If it does slide out, I can just push it back in, or I can tighten up that twist. So I decided, instead of trying to wrestle with my hair and keeping it dry or whatever, I'm going to put it up into a twist. Gonna take that second U-pin, same thing, upward curve, and flip, and twist. And so now I have a little tail set, but I still have this one in, which gives me a little bit of volume up here. So now, as I'm getting ready to walk out the door, it's actually a downpour. So I started to grab a scarf and throw that over my hair, but decided that didn't really want to mess with that. So taking them both down, just like you would pull your rubber bands or whatever, claw clips out. And I am going to, I could either switch to a bun or a hat. I've decided to switch to a hat. Now this one I'm about to show you takes a little practice, and actually today I had to redo it a couple of times because it wasn't staying. So it does take a little practice, and I'm going to tell you a couple little tricks to make it stay better for you, okay? And I'm going to turn around. So I'm just going to make a ponytail and grab some hair, wrap that around. Now what I did this time is I made the ponytail kind of just up a little. You can put it lower down here, but that's where I have trouble getting it to stay. Maybe you can, but I have a little trouble, so I have to put it up a little higher. And then I'm going to take one of my U-pins and I'm going to stick it in that band, touch my scalp, and flip. I'm going to try to grab the other band on the other side as well. So you can kind of see it sticking out there. And then I'll flip to the other side. And that's done. So now I have a nice secure ponytail that is going to stay with me for the day. And I can put my hat on. And I'm ready to go. So I can stay dry. And if I want to tuck this ponytail into my sweater or whatever, then I can. And I'm done. All right. Now, another option. I'm just pulling that band out. You can just do a loose braid. I forget how long my hair is. I'm trying to do it from the back. It's tricky because my arms aren't long enough. I do have some layers falling out. That's okay. Not too worried about that. I hope that you're all staying safe and well. This is a good time to play with hairstyles if you're at home. Okay, so now I'm going to just take that braid, flop it up onto my head. Boom. Boom. And now it's all up. And if I want to put my hat on, then I can. You just kind of have to watch where your U-pins are and whether you want those tucked in or not. This is a bigger design on these, so I'm going to let them stick out of the hat. And now you're good to go. Right, make sure you subscribe. We're going to be doing lots of things to help you with taking care of your hair while you're staying at home and how to not just completely neglect it if that is something that is of value to you. All right, I hope I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.